You see these meme coin tokens pumping, you see them dumping, and now you are stuck on the sideline wondering, is it just pure luck? Is it magic? What if I told you there is a way to cut through the hype, to see signals inside the chaos? In today's video, trading meme coins using Bollinger Bands and MACD, that is crypto trading strategies. I will show you how to read the story the chart is telling using two simple tools traders use every day. Get a quick disclaimer. This video is strictly for education. I am not giving financial advice. I am not promising profits, and I am not predicting the markets. Meme coins are highly risky and volatile. Always do your own research and manage risk carefully. Most people look at meme coin charts like it's random. They see green candles and jump in late, then price dump and they panic. So the real issue is people don't know how to decode the language of the chart. So in this video, we are going to learn the language first, then apply it properly. Before we apply anything on DexScreener, we must first understand what the indicators mean, because you can't go fishing without learning how to use the hook. We will use two indicators. The first one is Bollinger Bands and the second one is MACD. What is Bollinger Bands? Bollinger Band is a technical analysis indicator that has three lines: the upper band, middle line, which is 20-period moving average, and the lower band. And what does it help us see? Bollinger Band can help you spot trend continuation, trend reversal, market consolidation, volatility, breakouts, and even possible price targets. So let me give you the simple Bollinger Band idea. When price gets to the lower band, traders often anticipate an upward move. And what happened here? Upward move. Including here, when the price gets to the lower band, what happened? Upward move. Also here, what happened? Upward move. Then the same way, when price hits the upper band again here, trader often anticipates a move down or pullback. Then what happened here? Move down, move down. Then hear this important note: this is not magic, it's just a way to read price behavior. Now let's go to MACD. MACD is a technical analysis indicator that helps you check momentum. Momentum simply means are buyers entering with strength or are sellers entering with strength. MACD has two lines. The first one is MACD line and the second one is signal line, and it also has histogram bars that shows strength. This is histogram bars. Are you seeing them? The one like mountain, the one that is coming under this place, and these are the two lines. You see blue and red here. These are the two lines. I don't know the color your own is showing. So MACD has two lines and it has histogram bars. Then MACD histogram colors. You know, this is histogram, this one histogram. The colors, let me explain. Anytime you see dark green histogram bars, it means buyers are entering with strong force. And when you see that like this green is faded, so it shows that the buyers are getting weak. The same thing applicable to this one here. You know, this is bullish and this is bearish. Anytime you see red bar below, it indicates that we have strong selling strength. And the moment you see that it's getting fade, it indicates that we have weak selling strength. At times, your own may be indicating light red color for strong selling strength. So just check it very well. How will you know? You are going to see it here. Like the green one here now indicates strong buying. And what happened here? We have uptrend. And when we have faded green color, what happened? We have downtrend from here. So the same thing applicable to bearish here in our histogram bars. Now let's apply Bollinger Band and MACD on a real meme coin chart using DexScreener. Step number 1, open DexScreener and set your scanner filters. So as for me, I am using 24 hours here. So the time filter is 24 hours. Ignore all this, then click on sort. Now select 24 hours price change up, meaning I want coins that are going up within the last 24 hours. Then let me show you my key filters. Slide this, let's go and look for volume. Oh good, this is volume. Click it. Set the minimum to 500,000, meaning I want a coin with enough activity or liquidity, not something completely dead. So now click on apply. Next, keep sliding. Let's go and look for market cap. Okay, this is market cap. Click it. Set the minimum market cap to $250,000. Then click on apply. Now, a quick educational note here. I usually prefer coins where trading volume is higher than the market cap. Why? Because volume shows real activity. People are actually buying and selling. When volume is higher compared to market cap, it means the coin have good liquidity, orders get filled easily, and price movement is more reliable. If market cap is high but volume is very low, price can move randomly, spreads can be wide, and exits can become difficult. This doesn't mean the coin is good or bad. It simply helps us to avoid illiquid charts when learning technical analysis. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel before, make sure you do now. There are many more valuable contents awaiting for you. So please subscribe, give me a like on this video, and share this video. So now, once you set this, you will see list of meme coins that are moving. The next is to select a coin. Let me select this one. Good. Now, once you find a coin on DexScreener and you are ready to actually trade or practice what you are learning, you will need a reliable exchange. Yes, personally, one exchange many traders use, especially beginners, is CoinEx. CoinEx is easy to navigate, it supports spot and future trading, and it has a clean interface that makes learning much simpler. If you are still new to trading, using a platform that is straightforward and not confusing really helps you focus on understanding charts instead of fighting with the apps. I will leave a CoinEx registration link in the pinned comment and description to this video. That is, if you want to check it out. Not only that, check the pinned comment, you will see video tutorial on how to sign up for CoinEx and probably get the sign up bonus and every other thing you want to do about CoinEx. And if you want to try CoinEx now, it's very simple. Go to your Play Store and search for CoinEx, then install it. When installed, click on open. Click on sign up, put your email, password, then very important, put my referral code KPE2A, then click on sign up. Using referral code may help you to get sign up bonus. So back to the coin we want to check. To check the safety on this coin, the first thing to check is liquidity log. This is it, this padlock icon. If it has it, great. The next is to check if the coin is mintable or freezable. Come down, the audit, click here, good. Now mintable, no. Freezable, no. So it's okay like this. Then check this. All this should be greater than what you are seeing here. If you have it, that's okay. The next thing is this. Click here to copy the contract address. Then go to Telegram and search for TTF bots. Then paste the contract address here and enter. Paste, enter. This bot will help us analyze the coin, if it's a good coin or not. These are the things you should look for. The first one is if the ownership is renounced. If renounced, then it's a good coin. That is not all. Second, if the liquidity is logged, and I think it's logged, we have seen it before. The third one, if mintable is no or yes. If it's no, it's okay. The next one is if the freezable is no. If it's no, it's okay. The next one is top 10 holders. Top 10 holders should be less than 30%. So take note of it. The last one is the age. Does the age fit your style? Either not too new or not too dead. So you have to check. So even from here, we know that we cannot use this coin because this TTF boss is telling us that this is mutable and metadata. We expect it to be clean. So that's not all. Ownership is renounced. It's okay. Liquidity 100% is okay. That is, it's locked. Then top 10 holders is less than 30%. It's okay. But the concern is it is mutable. Many may not understand what mutable is. Mutable means that certain characteristics data or the underlying logic of a smart contract can be changed or modified after it has been deployed. So let's continue with this one, but try not to trade any mutable coin. Okay, so from here now, click on charts. So right now, let's say we are in 1 minute time frame. For it, you can use other time frames too. Okay, next thing to do, let's turn on our Bollinger Band and MACD. So slide this to the left. Okay, good. Now click on this FX. Then is it that you look for Bollinger Bands or MACD, or search for it here? As for me, I think I should be able to see Bollinger Band here. So this is Bollinger Band. Click it. Good. Then let's go and look for MACD. I think this is MACD. So click on it too. Good. So let's go back to the chart. Just click on this. Good. Let me remove this volume. Click on this volume. Then click on cancel. Good. So we are seeing Bollinger Band now. Now you see, this is very great. You can see, I trained you about the Bollinger Band. Now, when the market price hit the upper Bollinger Band, what happened next? You see, we have downtrend. And when the market price hit the lower Bollinger Band here, even here, what happened to the market? Uptrend is has gone to this place again. So you see the process that is very simple. Next time you want to trade, you see that using this tool actually help you to know when to enter and when to exit. Because look at this also, our histogram chart. When this green is faded, you see when faded, what happened to the chart? Is coming down. When the green here, when it's deep, what happened? We have uptrend. Even this little uptrend, look at it now, the green, look at this green color here. When the histogram bar is red here, what happened? We have deep fall. You see, deep fall, deep downtrend. And the moment it's reversing, what happened to it? It's fading out. It's faded out already. So it's just so simple for you to use these indicators, but that does not guarantee that it will always work like this. You can combine this with other technical analysis to know when to come in and when to exit. And if you want to get perfect control of this without risking your fund, you can enroll for Sheidaro Crypto Academy. It's very simple to enroll. Check the pinned comments or description to this video. You see link to connect with me or to enroll for my course. So join us where we have one-on-one with me. I can go live with you. If you are a total beginner also, I can go live with you to show you how to start, how to get your account, how to do everything, and how to minimize risk. That is not all. I usually give signal every day. So you can join my signal group where you will just trade either futures, sports, or meme trading. Then don't forget, if you are a total beginner or even if you are a crypto expert, use CoinEx. Very simple. Check the pinned comment. You see link to go watch tutorial about CoinEx. So I still have many more valuable content to give you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like on this video. If you have concern, drop for me in the comment section and I will respond to that as soon as possible. Then please share this video. These two videos very important. I want you guys to go and watch those videos. I love you guys. Till next time, see you guys in my next videos.